Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in WhatsApp in desktop. So to get started, open WhatsApp. Here I'm already into WhatsApp. Now click on the get started option. Here you can see you can link your WhatsApp with phone number or you can QR it. Once you have added your phone number, click on the next option. Now here some codes are given. I have to write down that code on my phone. So I'm writing that code on my phone right now. Once I have written that on my phone, you are successfully able to log in your WhatsApp in desktop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.